Hello everyone, welcome to FinTech channel. This ClipX. ClipX aims to become the link the e-learning platform on blockchains. Okay. About us, ClipX token. About ClipX. ClipX is planned to support a pair of video platform for the following areas. It's live streaming. This man with hosting for education, training, workshop idea and cross video conferencing. Okay. For this favorite MDC decentralized platform will introduce the offers central and later vision also decentralized. And you can click to watch video. The videos may be viewed free for trains just for fees. And my offers free 6 fry or a subscription. On this platform, eventually to post designed the video with current and distribution of the words. Okay. A platform is alpha teacher, customer and developer registered. In social media and Apple TV, tablet, smartphone, laptop, also. The video and will be paired booster of the cryptocurrency or with price money. Video streaming problem and solutions. Problems as a creator as not very energy is not added value for customers. Creators invest a lot of time in the production of video and get fair sale. Give as creator get fair sale. The platform requires even less than the creator analyze on the passion. Create token details. The ratio is 58 million token and has kept 72 million token. Token distributor at ClipX GmbH has as many. Previous sale is from the 15th of January. 15 July to 15 hours. The first of ICO for once from 16th of August to 24th. Okay. Token distribution. Tutorial's main sale is 45% and token pre-sale almost 32%. The channel follows more 3% and marketing and bounty at 5%. Risk fraud and 10%. Use founding allocation. Product development 22%, marketing at 38%, and ROI 8%. Business and development 20%, and legal and regulation 12%. Okay. Roadmap. ID was born in quarter 3 2018, and now is quarter 2. I show marketing and article popular keto media budget compound air and general social media compounds. I shall sell a previous sale and main sale is quarter 2020. First more investment. ClipX platform marketing of the ClipX platform in quarter the first in quarter 2 2021. Platform really is final release of the ClipX platform expansion and growth in quarter 4 2021. Is a team. Okay. It's research. News and media info ICO codex. Link at code here. Final seals. Okay, you can join this project and buy token. Create X token. And now is private sales. As market is. You can log in or and buy token. Okay, and now you can join this project and token as buy token of ClipX. Thank you again and we will last.